kindergartners. Welcome to this last week of Miss Mandy's directed drawing. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for joining me. I am so proud of you and I'm so excited to see you go on to first grade next year. Today is V Day in our ABC countdown. So we are going to be drawing a volcano. So get out your white piece of paper, your black marker or crayon, and then some other colored crayons. So today we're going to start our volcano by writing a big letter V. So I'm going to start up here on the top left-hand side, and I'm just going to do a very large V. And once you have that, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take our whole paper, we're going to turn it upside down. Ta-da! Now we have kind of a triangle. So we're going to go ahead and complete that triangle, starting here on the left side on the bottom, and draw a straight line all the way across to the other side. And this is going to be our volcano. Next, we are going to draw a big smoke cloud. So I'm going to start on this almost to the top, but not quite. Right here, I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm just going to do a big fluffy cloud. So that's going to be just kind of curved lines over and over again. So I'm going to do a curved line, another curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line, another one, curved line, all the way until we get to the other side. Because when volcanoes erupt, it's very hot and smoky. So all the smoke comes out the top. Next, I'm going to do some squiggly lines. I'm going to start here at the top of my triangle, and it doesn't really matter where you go because the lava is just going to be spilling all over the place. So we're going to start here at the top of the triangle and just do kind of a curved squiggly line all the way to the bottom of your paper. And then we're just going to do that again. It doesn't have to be any certain direction. We're just kind of going all over the place because the lava just spills out everywhere. You can cross over the other ones and just do about 3 or 4, or how many ever you want, until it's nice and full. Then we might even do some spilling out over outside of the triangle. And then once you're done with that, we are going to write some letter I's, some lowercase letter I's. So what that looks like is just a straight line and a dot right above it. So we're going to put a bunch of those at the top of our volcano, going all different directions. So I'm going to start at the top and just straight line and a dot. Then I'll go over here, coming out the top, straight line and a dot. Then up here, they can be all different sizes. And over here, and down there, another one over here. There you go. That can be as many as you want as well. And now we get to color it. So lava is very hot, made up of fire. So I'm going to be using red, like different kinds of red, and some orange and some yellow. And I'm just going to fill in my squiggly lines, kind of made a little triangle shape right here. So I'm going to just fill in that spot with that color. And then I'm going to switch to a different red, and I'm going to fill in this spot with that color. And then I'm going to use some yellow over here. And any part of the mountain that you want to not be lava, you can color that part in black. Because when lava dries, it makes lava rock, which is black. So this part's going to be part of the mountain. And this part. And this part. And then the rest you can just color all the lava until you feel like all of your empty spaces are done. All right. Oh, and then I'm going to continue going down because the lava spills out onto the ground as well. Okay, I hope you guys have a great summer, and I will hopefully see you next year. Bye.